I am always looking for 0-calorie sweeteners because I like a little sweetness, but obviously with not all of the calories. And this one here was sent for my review, and I'm excited. I'm gonna try it for the very first time. So it says 0-calorie sweetener. It is keto friendly, and this one is from Korea, which I think is really cool. Looking at the back, it just, yeah, everything is all zeroed out, which is definitely something we like to see. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and give it a try. It doesn't say what flavor it is, but there's all kinds of like fruit and stuff down here. So I'm wondering if there's gonna be sort of like that kind of flavor, or that's what it's made from possibly, but let's see. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I brought a little spoon. I figured this would be something like, I saw a picture and someone kind of like put them on pancakes. Maybe like if you're making like specialty coffees, and if you wanna use like a little bit of sweetener inside there instead of sugar. Let's give it a smell, let's see. Doesn't smell like anything. Let's go ahead. Yeah, I mean, it's very sweet. I mean, okay. I don't think you're meant to just eat a spoonful of it. It is super sweet. I definitely can see myself using this like instead of like maple syrup on pancakes or something like that. And same thing, as I said, making like specialty coffees I think is great. Would not recommend just eating it right from the spoon, because that, at first I was like, I don't taste anything, and then that sweetness came. But yeah, I mean, 0 calories, super sweet. I'm a fan.